It rains, it rains. This is actually my first experience with rain here. Wow. My first rain here. I never had it rain since I've been here, and now I heard it, and I was like, what is that noise? Yes. That just came out of nowhere. I was in there uploading a video, and I heard a noise. I was like, what is that noise? I didn't even, because it hasn't rained, so I didn't think that. I walked outside and went, oh yeah, that's, I'm glad I got a poncho. Wow, look at this, guys. Woo! Gotta tell you, that breeze feels great though. Man, when the skies open up, I'm glad I got a poncho. Alright guys, just finished eating. Somebody asked about my laundry. What do I do with all my dirty clothes? What's up, man?
How are you?
How you doing?
I'm doing well.
Yeah, good, good.
So, where would you like to go?
Right up here to the laundromat. I got to get my clothes.
Okay.
I'm running out of clean clothes.
So, you know, today, what day is today?
Today's Friday.
It's Friday.
Yeah.
And you see the flag over there?
I do see the flag.
Yeah, yeah.
You guys see the flag?
What's meaning?
Right over there. What does that mean? What's that flag mean?
This, I asked the manager, his owner here. He said it's Australian Day.
Oh, yeah, that's tomorrow, actually. Oh, is it today? It might be today. Today is Australia Day.
Yeah, Australian Day.
Ah, I know a couple good Australians.
Yeah. Do you have any planning?
Just a couple.
Today's?
Just kidding. All my Australian people, I know more than a couple. You guys are fine.
Oh, really?
No, I don't have any plans. Tomorrow we're going to a river cleanup over at Swiss Asia restaurant.
Restaurant, right?
Yeah, they're doing a little river cleanup, so we're gonna go do that tomorrow.
Oh, cool.
I didn't have any plans for today though.
In the evening.
I thought Australia Day was tomorrow.
Oh, really?
But it's not. It's today. You're right, because today is the 26th.
Yep.
Okay.
Because he's told me in the morning, and then he's told me today is Australian Day.
Oh, so that's yes. Okay. Yeah.
And then on last morning, I brought him to bought drink and fruit.
Oh yeah.
They have the planning this evening.
A lot of Australians here in Cambodia, huh?
Sure.
Yeah, there has to be. They have their own day.
Yeah, they have the business here, you know.
But I might go out. I might go out later tonight then and celebrate. It might as well, right? I'm sure Pub Street will be all.
Yeah.
You know, everybody will be celebrating.
So celebrate in this meal.
Hopefully, I can hook up with a.
Yeah.
I got a couple Australian friends. I'll see if they want to go along.
You see, it's Australian people live around here a lot.
Yeah.
Some of the Australian people, they have the renting to the boutique and business.
The ones I know, they live here just like me. So it's like, one guy's been living. He's been living here a long time, like almost 2 years, and so whenever I need advice, I can just go online and he'll tell me where to go for this or that, or you know, he told me about that rice cooker to go down to the what is it, Sarlu market? Salu. Yeah. So I went there. I went there yesterday and found a really nice rice cooker for just $12.
Sure.
I went to Lucky Mall in that supermarket. Their rice cooker was $50. 50, man.
Yeah, it's the one.
Yeah. So I went down there and got it for $12.
Sure.
So
different.
I'm not going back to Lucky Mall, man.
It's like the brand name and then the price.
Yeah. it was pretty cheap for their drinks and the food and snacks
sure.
I bought, but
for the material, something for the use, it a little bit price.
Yeah.
Expensive. Yeah, like clothes.
Oh yeah.
Like anything is like clothes, normal clothes, they sell over there around 30 or 25 or 30. But when you go to the local market, anywhere, somewhere else, different from the supermarket, in around $5.
Yeah.
$5 or $3.
Another guy told me about a place.
Straight
Yep.
on the
Yeah.
left
Yeah.
side.
That was you. No,
was
it was the other. Well, you were with you were with us for that conversation, right?
Yeah.
You were here. Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm gonna go down there and check out some T-shirts
Mm-hmm.
because I got to do laundry every other day because I just sweat through them, and you know.
Need to change, get new,
Yeah.
and then you can
These ones from America are really heavy and they don't breathe,
Mm-hmm.
so all the sweat stays in.
Mm-hmm.
And then I go home and try to peel it off. It's like skin because I'm sweating so much.
Okay.
All right, man.
Okay.
Hey,
Enjoy
I
your
might
day.
be going
Yeah.
out later and doing that. It's
Yeah,
Friday.
yeah.
I got nothing else to do.
Yeah. Okay.
Might as well go and
enjoy your day.
Celebrate.
Okay.
Celebrate.
Okay. See you later.
All right, man.
Yeah.
I forgot about that, guys. It's Australia Day today. So to all my Aussie friends, I like you. Did not appreciate Crocodile Dundee. Other than that, you guys are all right. All right, anyway, back to laundry. This is my little laundry shop here. Yeah, got all the stuff you would associate with a laundromat. You got the washers, the detergents. What you do, you bring your clothes in here. Put them on. She'll put them on that scale. $1 per kilo. And then when they come back, they're all like this. They're all put in bags, folded, washed, dried, and put in bags. Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
I was just telling my friends here, they asked about my laundry. So I'm just showing them around your place and tell them it's easy. I drop it off. Say I dropped those off yesterday. They go on that scale. She gives me the little piece of paper. I give it to her. And it's $2, so that's 8,000 real?
8,000 real.
Yes. And I believe I got that 2, 4, 5, 6,
Yes.
7, and 8.
Yes.
Give her the money, and now look at this. They're all nice and clean, dried, folded, and put in these awesome bags that I will reuse to bring them back.
Thank you.
Thank you. And that is how you do laundry. No muss, no fuss. No more driving to the laundromat for me. A laundromat may be one of the most depressing places in the world because you're sitting there and watching your clothes spin around, reading old People magazine from the 1990s. That's horrible. This is much easier and cheaper. As you can tell by my tag, that whole thing cost me $2. A good deal. Gonna go drop this off back in my apartment. And then head out to do some other things. Don't know what, I really don't have anything planned. But like the tuk-tuk driver told me, it's Australia Day. Yeah. That's something I really like here. There's really any excuse for a celebration or a holiday or something. And just let's make it happen. I love that attitude. Shoes off. Shoes off. Woo! Now I'm back. The benefits of having a shower like this, I wanted to tell you, I wanted to show you. You have a shower like this that's not separate from anything. And it's true, when you're taking a shower, everything will get wet. Top of the toilet seat, the floor. Some people might see that as a negative thing, but on the other hand, your bathroom gets cleaned every single day. So that is actually a very good thing. So I'm gonna go. And I really need to do something about this hair, man. Look at this. I need a cut again already. Anyway, I'm gonna go. I'll be heading out in just a little bit to do the rest of my day. Talk to you then.